Darangelen, daray ti 2 ini, paunakan mo, pangalan ng atsi mo, Apasidang. Happy 100th birthday. Ikaming anak ng Apong Sidang, Ricky, Jojo, Romy, Marie Ampong Ites. Marigol kay pasalamat king malugod tamong Apong Winu. Amiras kang dinalan ay edad. 100 years of countless blessings. Masayang-masaya kami disnan maying dinala na banwa. Aera disnan dari mako, Apasidang ampoy itatang ko, Apasisar. Ipangadimi keng mayupayang Diyos, dagdagane pa in pakaba mong biye, di na nakapang extension, at di na nakapang good health and divine protection for the rest of your life. Manupaya na ka eke miratang keng birthday mo, but be assured that we will be with you in spirit to celebrate your very, very special day. In closing, happy 100th birthday, Auntie, from the Lau family. Dakal pong salamat.